Confused about Scrum Master versus Project Manager in Indianet? Let's break it down with real examples. Welcome to Agile Project Insights, decoding tech roles for real IT professionals. Imagine you're at Infosys or TCS working on a UK retail project. Meet Rajesh, the project manager, and Priya, the Scrum Master. Rajesh handles client talks, deadlines, and budgets. He's the CEO of the project, using tools like Ms. Project and Excel. Priya, the Scrum Master, ensures agile principles are followed. She facilitates sprints and clears blockers using Jira and Confluence in an HCL tech project for an Australian bank. The project manager controls scope and budget, while the Scrum Master keeps the team agile. Summary: Rajesh plans the wedding. Priya ensures rituals go smoothly. Both roles are crucial for success. Are you aiming to be a Scrum Master or project manager? Comment below, like and subscribe for more insights.